Okay, hello everyone and welcome to this new video. So this video is going over my sleep and how I managed to fix it. So for those of you that know me, my history of sleep has always been absolutely awful. Since I was a little kid up until recently, I've always struggled with my sleep, mainly like getting to sleep and then waking up as well. I've always struggled with both of them, mainly getting to sleep. Like even if I went to bed early, I'd still be in bed trying to get to sleep until literally like 5-6 o'clock in the morning. So a lot of people know my sleeping pattern has been absolutely awful for absolutely years. And this is something that's always stressed me. It's always made me feel a bit bad because it's something that's kind of out of my control. I've really struggled to gain control of my sleep and it has really stressed me out and caused me a lot of stress. However, over the last couple of months, I have managed to fix that. I feel absolutely fantastic now. I'm literally getting to sleep like really quickly. I've got a good routine going now. I can get to sleep really quickly and I wake up a lot fresher. It's still not as good as I want it. However, compared to where it was, it is so much better and it's getting better every single week. And eventually it's going to be where I want it. And I'm really happy with that. So then, I'm sure you're all wondering, what have I done to do this? Like, is it a pill? Is it some sort of discipline which is really helping? What is this magical thing that has allowed you to get your sleep even better? Well, I've got the answer right here. That magical thing is... oh, this is heavy. My weighted blanket. So I was going to wear it over me for this, but it is way too heavy and I'd just be sat like that and like it won't be very good. I'd just be talking monotone like this. So you don't want to see that. So I'm going to leave it there. But anyway, I've been using a weighted blanket and it is absolutely fantastic. So the reason I did this, the counsellor that I go to see, she has bought one. She wanted me to kind of trial it out for her clients, so that she knew like what it did and for me to tell her kind of my experience from it. So of course I said I'd do it because my sleep's always been bad and I thought, why not? It's not something I've thought of doing before, but it's worth a try. What's the worst that can happen? So when I first tried it, I wasn't too sure, to be fair. I didn't like it, but the main reason was I was kind of having it on as well as my usual bed quilt. So I stopped using it. I thought it was really nice for like lounging around in, but I could not sleep in it. So I kind of told my counsellor, and she said, give it another go. Give it a go with just that and without the quilt. So I said, okay, I'll do that. And honestly, it takes a bit of time to kind of get used to it, but it's been an absolute game changer. I'll literally get under it. I usually stick the TV on and put my phone on my side, and literally I don't have to check it once. I'd say within about half an hour, I'm usually just gone. So like I've said, it used to take me absolutely hours. It literally takes probably about half an hour. It don't matter whether I'm ready to go to bed or not. As soon as I get under the quilt, yeah, I switch off very quickly. So the quilt's great. You probably noticed when I had it on my shoulders, it is very heavy. The reason for that is because that's kind of how it gets your body to relax. Because the quilt is so heavy, it kind of puts that weight onto your body, which can really help to calm you down and kind of soothe you of any stress that your body is under. So these are great if you suffer from stress, anxiety, and if you've got a very active mind like I have. The main reason is, like I say, it kind of compresses your body when you put it on, so it really helps to calm you down, really calms down your nervous system, which just helps you to shut off that bit quicker, rather than just laying around with thoughts running through your head, and like I say, your body tossing and turning, stuff like that. It just helps your body to just shut down a lot quicker, enabling you to have a better and deeper night sleep. Another thing I weren't sure of was, is it going to be too warm? Like I say, we've had absolutely freezing temperatures and then we've had the heat wave a couple of weeks ago. It's been absolutely fine. It seems to kind of take to all temperatures as such, so you don't get too hot and you don't get too cold. So yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic. You can use it no matter what the weather. I absolutely love it. I probably wouldn't sleep without it right now. It is absolutely fantastic. It's made all the difference in me changing my sleep. Absolutely fantastic, and I could not recommend it enough. So yeah, as someone who has suffered all their life with really bad sleeping pattern, getting to sleep, waking up, this has been an absolute game changer for me. And if you struggle with something like that, I would highly recommend getting one. Oh, there we go. So yeah, you can get them from a lot of places online and stuff like that. Like I say, this is one that my counsellor gave to me, so I don't really know where she got it from. However, like I say, it's an absolute game changer, and if you struggle with sleep in any way whatsoever, I would highly recommend at least try it out, but give it give it time, give it 2 to 3 weeks, because your body does have to adapt to it because it is kind of a new sensation. So your body might not agree with it to start with, but over time it will get easier to use. So there we have it. Bloody hell. Did you hear that? That's how heavy it is. So, in the comments below, let me know if you have had any experiences with weighted blankets, and if so, let us know in the comments how that has helped you with your sleeps, or if it's not worked at all, but I'm sure that's not the case because they are fantastics. If you're going to try it, or you've enjoyed this video, or you think it could help you at all, then give the video a like, and if you want to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button. As well, I do videos on mental health, fitness, and Asperger's syndrome. I don't really know if this fits in kind of Asperger's, I suppose, because I know this has helped a lot of people with Asperger's, so we'll put it in that category. Anyway, that's enough for rambling. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, drop us a comment below, and I'm going to leave the video there. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. Bring a friend along if you think this might help them as well, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.